So there are gaming headsets and then there are gaming headsets. If you're a PC gamer, you care about your gaming headset. You care about the quality, care about the audio fidelity, you care about the mic precision, you care about so many things, and there's so many headsets out there. There's a dime a dozen. But today we're taking a look at the Logitech Pro X gaming headset. And why this headset is unique is because, yes, I'm using the mic of the headset to record this whole voiceover, and it is doing a fantastic job at it. Yes, this is simply because this is powered by Blue Voice, aka Blue Microphones. They're part of Logitech as a company, and Logitech said, look, we've got these guys who make some really good microphones. Let's try and incorporate it into our gaming headset. And they've delivered in such an awesome beast. Now, before we get into the mic itself, which you will hear throughout this video, let's talk about the headset itself. The build quality is really nice. It's got more of a rounded retro look, I would say. I like the kind of curled wires from each ear cup that go up. The metal band is soft and solid with the padding around it. Really good in terms of just fit. Now, can you wear this for hours? Yeah, you can. It's got a little bit of a tighter grip around your face, but I still like it anyway. And again, you can switch between ear cup pads. So I've got the cushion, and then there's a leatherette as well. And that version will retail for 129. But you can pick up this up for 99 bucks. Now, in terms of accessories, you do have a carrying pouch. You've got cables. You've got two sets of cables, a single inline cable, and of course, you also have a split cable as well. Now, this comes with its own DAC, and that DAC allows and gives you the power of Blue Voice to do a lot of the audio tweaking in the microphone that I have not seen on any gaming headset. I mean, it's truly impressive. And what I like about this headset is when you're playing a game like Division, and you're running around, you're playing with friends. In this case, I wasn't. You get the ability to give them very clean, crisp audio, and that's why this is on the Logitech G line. Because look, if you got a game like a pro gamer, you want to go there. Now, there are certain things that you do get with the software that's impressive. Again, we still haven't talked about the microphone. So you can go into the software, select TTS Headphone X, of course, giving you that surround sound, which is really nice. You can customize that. You can go into the equalizers and do a couple of things. You can go and select a couple of presets. There are presets for FPS, for media, there's default. You can customize your own presets. There's also presets for esports gamers as well. So they've got people like G2 Shock, London Spitfire Profits, games that you like that you can actually put in there and use those presets. If they've got presets that fit your style, go for it. You can do whatever you want to do. But the big kicker here, of course, is with the microphone. This just sounds so good. Like you're looking at this, you're going, really, are you using this mic or are you using this mic? No, I'm not using this mic. It's not on. Yes, I'm actually using the mic off the headset, which is truly amazing. And let me just go through some of the things that on here on this microphone that really just sets it apart. I'm gonna just record my screen so you guys can see. So when you go into the Logitech G Hub app, you've got Blue Voice. Blue Voice is the software that comes in with a lot of things you can do. First thing you see there is a mic level input. What's the input levels you're getting, and the mic level outputs, what people will receive. So that's just one right there, which is insane. It's absolutely insane. Then you've got also your broadcaster here, so you can go in here and customize a bunch of things. Here, this gives you a couple of presets for the mics you're using. Right now, I'm using Broadcaster 2. There's a Broadcaster 1, there's AM, there's blue, there's also FM, and then a few others. Plus, in each one, you can go in and customize things like your noise reduction, your expander and gate, the limiter, the compressor, the de-easer, and you can't just do that. You can also test and record them live to see how well they actually sound before you even save them, so you know what you're getting, so you can get the right kind of audio volume here. Again, I'm just using Broadcaster 2 and I'm not making any changes whatsoever. But I wanted to give you a quick sample of what each one sounds. So let's go ahead and switch to AM radio. This is what AM radio sounds. This is the sound you get. If you want to give people this sound while you're gaming, sure, be my guest. Go ahead and do that. Now, moving over to Broadcaster 1. Broadcaster 1 has a different feel. It's a little bit louder than AM radio. AM radio, of course, is kind of giving that old school. Well, if you are old as me. But Broadcaster 1 is pretty nice. I like Broadcaster 2. I can do some tweaks here, but I do like this. This is the sound I'm using for this whole voiceover. And then we're going to switch to FM station. A little louder in the tones there, but you get it. It's just really impressive how it changes in sound. You get that feel. Now there is high voice loud. This is what you get with high voice loud in terms of sounds and voices. I really love the fact that they've given attention to the microphone. This much attention is great. You've got high voice soft. Again, a different level here with high voice soft. Then you have low voice loud. So low voice loud again gives you a different take in how these representations are. And don't forget, you can go in and customize within all these voice presets. And then finally you have low voice soft. Now you can go ahead and copy those presets here. That's a copy button. You can save them, you can add new presets, you can do whatever you want to do. I want to switch back to Broadcaster 2. It's impressive how well they've done in crafting the microphone in this headset. Now, in terms of just general audio, it's really good. DTS Headphone X really does a good job. The 50 millimeter drivers here really good to do a good representation in those cues you want as a gamer, especially if you're an FPS gamer, you want to get those footsteps, you want to hear those positional sounds where the weapons are coming from. Those things are great, but they've really gone ahead and said, look, we will work on the microphone. We'll give you something. And we'll work with a company that we have that does a good job with microphones, Blue. And like, call me impressed. I am impressed what I'm hearing. The fact that I can get this off a microphone that's literally here, not studio microphone. I can get this headset as a gamer. Think about it, you're spending $100, you're getting a combined package that is truly awesome, and you don't want to miss this. So if you have any questions or any comments about the Logitech Pro X gaming headset, let us know. Otherwise, guys, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and always enjoy your entertainment.